Welcome to Lesson 27, Receipts. To begin this lesson, go to the QuickBooks Online demo account as discussed in Lesson 4. In an earlier lesson, I showed you how to manually attach receipts or files to any transaction. Let's review that momentarily by attaching a bill to a check. Pretend we have received a utility bill from Chin's Gas and Oil. Using a scanner, scan the bill and save the file to your computer. Now, go to the New button with the plus sign on the navigation bar and select Check. Select Chin's Gas and Oil as the payee and verify that you are writing the check from the checking account. Mark this to print later. The category may be filled in already because QuickBooks Online is trying to help us out based on historical interactions with Chin's. But for this transaction, categorize it under Gas and Electricity, a sub-account of Utilities. The amount of the check is $287.16. Scroll down to the bottom left of the screen and click the Attachments link with the paperclip icon. Browse to the receipt that you scanned and attach it to this transaction. Select Save and Close. So, that is the manual way to attach receipts to your transactions. However, there is an easier way that does not require a scanner and does not require manually attaching the receipt to a transaction. QuickBooks Online now has a built-in feature called Receipt Capture that allows you to snap and store receipts digitally in QuickBooks Online to save hours of labor. Once receipts are uploaded to QuickBooks Online, they are automatically categorized and matched to transactions. The result? Everything is organized and ready at audit time. And best of all, there is no more need for filing cabinets. To begin using this feature, go to Banking Receipts on the navigation bar. Click the Register Your Email button in the upper right. Now, we can't register an email address in this demo account, but this is an easy process. Once you register your email with QuickBooks Online, that same area of the receipt screen will have a new link called Manage Senders that will allow you to add the emails of additional QuickBooks Online users in your organization so that they too can email receipts to your copy of QuickBooks Online. Those users with at least vendor permissions are able to send receipts. Once you have another user's email registered, they need to get the QuickBooks Online app in order to be able to snap receipts from their phone. Notice that QuickBooks Online provides a way for you to send the link to download the app directly to the user's mobile phone. Now, I am going to show you what it looks like to use the app from your phone. First, open the QuickBooks Online app. Then, from the hamburger control menu, there is an option called Receipt Snap. Tap that option and it opens a screen that shows recent receipts you may have snapped. To take a picture of a new receipt, tap the camera icon. Point to your receipt until it is nicely aligned and tap the camera button to take the picture. If you are happy with the picture of the receipt, tap the Use This Photo button. The receipt is emailed to your QuickBooks Online. But here's the best part. Once submitted, the system immediately reads the receipt, tries to pull out the vendor, date, total, and last four digits of the credit card number, and automatically matches the receipt to a transaction. If there's no match found, you can easily create a new transaction. Now I'll show you what it looks like in QuickBooks Online once the receipt arrives. The functionality is similar to bank feeds. Just go to Banking Receipts and the emailed receipts appear on the For Review tab. Once you review them, they appear on the Reviewed tab. Notice that the receipt I just snapped is on the For Review tab, and QuickBooks Online determined that the date of the transaction was 4/30/2020 with Oakland Nurseries in the amount of $96.71. It found the matching transaction that already came in on my bank feed, so all I need to do is click Match to accept this receipt. But before I do that, let me show you the other options in the action column. You can review the transaction, create an expense entry. However, you should seldom need to do this because transactions should be coming through on your bank feed eventually. Or delete the receipt before matching it. This is valuable if a receipt has been sent twice or the user took a picture of the wrong receipt by accident. If you select Review, it will bring up a window that shows you the receipt and gives you the ability to add further detail over to the right. But in my case, QuickBooks Online found the matching transaction to which this receipt should be attached, so I'm going to select Match. This mobile receipt capture tool is great for anyone who travels or makes a lot of credit card purchases. They can snap the images at the time of purchase, and the receipt will be in QuickBooks Online awaiting the matching financial transaction to come through on the bank feed. At that point, you just match them. For people who do not want to use the mobile app, another option is to attach receipts and bills to an email or send them in the body of an email. Any user who has been registered as a sender in your receipts area can email receipts and bills to receipts@quickbooks.com. If you attach files to an email, they should be in a PDF, JPEG, GIF, or PNG format. You can send multiple receipts and bills in one email, but the total file size should be under 20 megabytes. Processing might take a few minutes, and if something did not work, you will get a return email that lets you know. And finally, on the receipts screen, notice that you can drag your receipt files from anywhere on your computer and drop them into the receipts window. QuickBooks Online will parse and process them just like it would if they had been emailed or sent through the mobile app. So now you know all the ways to attach receipts to a transaction. Some of you may be paying for a similar service, and you can eliminate that additional cost since QuickBooks Online incorporates receipt handling for no additional charge.